Yo, this thing is getting serious, so.
What be that?
The virus now. This thing na plan work now. No, it's real low. People are dying, no.
If I tell you say my uncle with the nuts don't die, you go toss in a lie. No talk. These stories are made up now. You know anybody will get them?
Emeka, you sound very stupid and ignorant.
See, this thing na economic strategy. Now economic strategy. Now sense then they use this is marketing. Now what are you talking? See, very soon now, inflation will start. Things are going to be priced up. Everything's going to be very pricey. See this guy, you don't even know anything. I even say you day one. See, look at you.
Emeka, please. It's okay. Thank you.
At the talk now, they do like see my mouth is smell, Abi. It's doing like see my mouth is smelly. No wahala now. You go to say Emeka, you talk am.
What?
41 confirmed cases in Nigeria. Ha! China has 81,000 confirmed cases. Gloria, you did not hear?
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's crazy. You said it's crazy? Are you not scared?
I mean, like, I'm concerned, but like, what can I do? You get, like...
You are scared, Abby?
Yeah.
Haha.
Mommy, they said people should stay home and you're going out.
Because they tell you say people wait there as they don't get money. They tell you say they don't get food. Man, stay for us, man, no chop. I bet you may go market, may go and collect agbalumo. I don't already give her money. Make sure say it's sweet agbalumo. Tell her say if it's bitter, mom is going to return it. Then you go this woman where they sell Africa. You know Anna, Mommy Jude. Go meet her. The person where they beside them where they sell wristwatch. Meet her, collect my wristwatch from here and I give her wristwatch last week. Check and say they walk. If you no walk, you go back. You trek. Then you go Sule shop. Let me go buy yam. Old yam. Tell her say old yam. Not see Sule don't hear English. Old yam. May not give you new yam. Maybe it's a come. Then the remaining change you can go use to buy matches from backyard. Make sure say you put anointing on your forehead before you go.
Stop, make you no cry again. Oh my mother, oh
sorry. Where are you going to?
Church.
Your church is still open.
Coronavirus cannot hold us down. We are children of God. What will affect others cannot affect us.
Oh.
Explain. This is an arrow from the enemy. So I have to go and pray. So pray here.
Felicia, if you go out, don't come back, because I will lock you out.
Shalom. Where are you coming from?
I went to throw away the dirty bag.
Come. Drop your hand. Robert, what are you doing? Rub all the way to your elbow now. Who do you want to give virus? What's that? Stop now. I beg you. Stop. Who's saying you go through trash? At this time you throw away trash.